Hello everyone, this is Gulzar Munawwar from Pakistan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about major achievement of famous Pakistani cricketer, social worker and politician Imran Khan. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to keep connected. Imran Khan is a former cricketer, social activist, and ex-Prime Minister of Pakistan. He has achieved many milestones throughout his career, both on and off the cricket field. Some of his major achievements are: 1. Winning the 1992 Cricket World Cup. Imran Khan was the captain of the Pakistan cricket team that won the 1992 Cricket World Cup. It was Pakistan's first major cricket title and remains a proud moment for the nation. 2. Building Shaukat Khanum Memorial Cancer Hospital. Imran Khan founded the Shaukat Khanum Memorial Cancer Hospital and Research Center in Lahore, Pakistan. It is a state-of-the-art facility that provides free cancer treatment to the underprivileged. 3. Establishing Namal College. Imran Khan founded Namal College in Miawali, Pakistan. It is a modern educational institution that provides quality education to students from all over Pakistan. 4. Starting the Billion Tree Tsunami Project. As Prime Minister, Imran Khan initiated the Billion Tree Tsunami Project to plant 1 billion trees across Pakistan. The project is aimed at combating climate change and has received global recognition. 5. Promoting austerity and accountability. Imran Khan is known for promoting austerity and accountability in Pakistan's government. He has implemented measures to reduce government spending and has launched an anti-corruption campaign to hold politicians and officials accountable. 6. Improving relations with neighboring countries. Imran Khan has made efforts to improve relations with Pakistan's neighboring countries, including India and Afghanistan. He has emphasized the importance of dialogue and peaceful resolution of conflicts. These are some of the major achievements of Imran Khan. I hope that it increase your knowledge. Share this with your friends so that they can also have this information. Thank you so much for your time.